Oh yeah.
Great! Now we can go shopping for all the things we need for our new business.
Hi, Nico. Hi, Arugula. You want to make arts and crafts out of my shoebox collection? Snacks will be served.
No thanks, Carl. No thank you, Lotta. We're too busy starting our own business.
Wow, what kind of business?
It's the... Wait, Brewer.
The urgent weather message.
Sing the name of our business.
For the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain and Medina, and Avon Point to Willowick.
You're going
The
to
National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 103, effective until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain and Medina, and Avon Point to Willowick.
Excuse us. We have to
Remember,
take to the
a
store
tornado watch
buy
means the
hamster
conditions
stuff.
are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 103 has been issued from 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain and Medina, and Avon Point to Willowick.
What about the food? We can get the food anytime. Fuchsia plates with cute hamsters wearing top hats are something you don't see every day. So, we need them.
We also need plenty of water bottles so all the hamsters can get enough to drink.
We don't need all those water bottles. We just need this disco water bottle. Look how shiny it is. And it lights up and plays music. And best of all, it spins.